backyard barbecue, Oktoberfest, or a quick dinner, bratwursts that are browned, then braised in beer and sautéed onions are perfectly juicy and so flavorful. And I'm going to show you how to make the perfect brats today on the Stay at Home Chef. To make these bratwursts the most flavorful, we want to brown them first. Now, a lot of people will say to let them simmer in beer and onions first, then give them some browning, but you will lose all of those delicious juices to the beer bath. And another added bonus is that you can serve those brats straight from the hot, juicy beer bath, instead of shriveled up brats that have been hanging out on the grill drying up. So in a heavy bottom skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil over medium-high heat. Now that the oil's hot, we're gonna add in 5 uncooked bratwursts. Let those cook about 3 to 4 minutes and then give them a flip. Once they're browned up on both sides, they're not fully cooked, but we're going to remove them from the pan. Add in remaining 1 tablespoon of oil and let it heat until it's shimmery, which is a fancy way of saying that it is hot and it's spreading out, but it's not at the smoking point. Let it heat for about a minute and then add in thinly sliced onion from about 2 medium-sized onions. Season that with a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Let them cook for about 7 to 8 minutes until they've turned more golden. Add in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and saute that for 1 more minute. We don't add that garlic in until the onions are nearly cooked because it would overcook the garlic, making it a little too sweet for the flavors we're looking for. Pour in 12 ounces of your favorite beer, and it's best to use room temperature. Add back in those bratwursts. A great substitute for that beer would be a non-alcoholic beer or chicken broth or apple juice. But I love the earthiness that cooking with beer brings to a dish, and when cooking it, it evaporates out that alcohol. Let the mixture come to a simmer, then drop the heat to a medium-low and let simmer for 8 to 10 more minutes until the onion mixture thickens up and those bratwursts are fully cooked. You can let this simmer for up to 2 hours. Just make sure to add a little extra beer so it doesn't dry out. To serve these up, I like to toast the bun by simply popping it under the broiler for a few minutes. Then give that a smear of some quality stone ground mustard, place the bratwurst on the bun, and pile on some of those cooked onions. Here you have a flavor party and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.